Organic content, very, very simple. It refers to the day-to-day posts we're putting out there on the feed, okay? If you look at someone's Instagram page, it's on the grid, right? Or this could be the stories, the media content you're putting out on the daily, on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. That's organic. It's gonna take into account users' engagement. So the more engaged people are with it, the more they like it, the more they view it. Organically, they're going to be served it more often, okay? So if you have 1,000 followers and if 50 of them really engage with everything, they're going to keep getting served that content from you, okay? Paid or inorganic, as you might want to call it, it's all about paid promotion. So it's dollars in, you get attention out. So we're paying Facebook, Instagram directly, Meta directly, or pay per click. So this might be Google Ads. Who's heard of Google Ads? Yeah, okay. It's pay to play. And this is a good supplemental action to grow your organic following because we're getting exposed to a new audience. We can search the demographics, the different ages of people, all of that different stuff, but we're paying to play, okay? So it's totally different. The similarity is you use content, right? You use some sort of image, some media, video, photo.